Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a common problem that many developers face when trying out JIB. The problem revolves around using Docker and hosting on GCP, but not being able to generate a container without a Docker file or Docker desktop. Frustrating, right? The user, in this case, is using Gradle 9 and JDK 20.2, and despite trying various solutions found online, nothing seems to work. The key is to configure JIB properly in the build.gradle file, but the user is unsure about what to add for the from and to parameters. Let's tackle this problem together and find a solution. Let's solve the problem by focusing on a specific solution that has proven effective. In the build.gradle file, under the JIB configuration, we set the from image to OpenJDK23 JDK Oracle, and the TO image to the location of the GCP-artifact-registry repository. This configuration allows JIB to build the container image without the need for a Docker file, providing a seamless deployment process. It's important to ensure that your Docker account is logged in via the terminal to enable a successful build. In summary, we've addressed a common problem faced by developers when using JIB without a Docker file or Docker desktop. By configuring JBib in the build.gradle file with the appropriate from and to parameters, you can streamline the container image generation process and deploy it to your GCP artifact registry. I hope this solution helps you overcome any obstacles you encounter in your development journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Keep coding and stay awesome.